This is our truck-mounted crane GSQS350. The parameters of the crane are as follows. The maximum lifting weight of 15 tons. Its boom length is with 19.6 meters. It's equipped with large span 2-stage synchronized outriggers, ensures the higher stability of the whole vehicle. The new hexagonal boom body section enjoys high strongability and the capability of bending and torsion resistance. Besides this, the crane is equipped with an automatic hull retracting and anti-rolling protection devices, which helps improve the work efficiency and guarantee the work safety. This is all the information of our GSQS 350.